Hi there, welcome to this latest edition of the PWD Insight. We are coming to you live from Tripoli, Libya, where the Abaka boys are currently having a 6-day training camp ahead of the upcoming CAF Champions League preliminaries and of course the 2020-2021 football season in Cameroon. On today's edition of the PWD Insight, we have as guest Bung Joel Ondua, who is a defender for PWD Social Football Club of Bamenda. Hi Joel, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Face.
It's a pleasure having you on today's edition of PWD's Insight.
Same here, Mr. Face.
Okay, we go straight to the point. Bung Joel Ondua, you've been with PW of Bamenda for 3 seasons now, and the fans will really want to know more about Bung Joel. Who is Bung Joel Ondua?
Well, there's not much to know about me, but I come from a family of 5. I'm the second from a family of 5. For those who know me, I did all my schooling in Bamenda. I left secondary school in 2010. I went from Chang, which I did 4 years, and came back and continued with football.
And talking about football, you currently one of the kingpins in PWD Social Football Club of Bamenda since you joined the club some 3 years ago from National Polytechnic Football Club of Bamenda. Can you tell us a little bit about your football journey? What actually made you to take football as a career?
Well, football for me, since when I was small, it was kind of a passion. I loved football when I was small, but my dad, stubborn as he is, never really allowed me to play. He said I should school first before I take on football, so that's why it motivated me to go fast, and after my education I had to turn on football because it's what I love, and when I do it with passion. So that's my key motivation.
You do it with passion, and we've seen the passion throughout your stay at PW Social Football Club of Bamenda. You've been at the club for 3 years. How has life been like at PW Social Football Club for all this period you've spent with the team?
Well, not bad, but we face the difficulty that we footballers at the beginning, but as time goes forward, it's beginning to things are beginning to fall in place, and we hope that for better in the future, as days goes ahead, in the future will be okay. It will be okay for us for me to be stable and balanced.
Last year, you played a total of 26 out of the 28 league games that PW of Bamenda had, and this far you've played virtually all the games in pre-season for PW Social Football Club of Bamenda, and the fans describe you as Mr. Consistent. What is the secret to a consistent form for PW of Bamenda?
It's being they always say being professional. For me, I'm being professional in my head, so I know what football needs and what football requires. So I try to discipline myself and stay focused to the cause, because football is a very competitive career. So aside football, I try to stay positive and keep myself keep fit to entangle the next game, each game at a time.
So how do you do to keep fit? You control your diet, or?
Yeah, I start by controlling my diet and the other activities that you should know. I try to limit everything I do. I don't exaggerate anything.
So out of football, what else does Bung Joel Ondua likes most? If you were asked to drop football today and pick up another career, which one will you go for?
Lawyer.
Why?
That's another thing that I admire most, because I like to interact with people. I love people. I love I love to listen to people. I like to solve problems, and say lawyer will be a good pick for me.
So far in your career as a footballer, you've won a major trophy. That was in the 2019-2020 football season, where you helped PW Social Football Club of Bamenda emerge as champions. You had 1 goal during the season and 3 assists, and you played 26 out of the 28 games that the team played. How was that feeling when the club was declared champions of Cameroon in May 2020?
That's the feel of every footballer in Cameroon. That's feeling of victory and of being a champion. So I felt good. And up to date, I'm still feeling as being part of the team again that won the league champion last year. I still feel good and the joy is still there. That's why I keep on working and I never let my effort.
So how do we do as a player? What's that message you guys share amongst yourself in order to help the team again maintain their status as the champions of Cameroon?
Well, there's this thing in football, you have like, first you have to, like a footballer, you have to motivate yourself personally. You have to know what motivates you before you go collectively. So me, I know what motivates me first. I know my personal motivation. As my when we come now collective, because football is a collective sport. So we come collectively now, we try to lean to one direction, aim at one thing, like PWG, our goal is victory. So we love victory after the race. That's why when we get into this field, we try to do our best. Because now our fans, our supporters, everybody, they love victory. So when we go and get into the field, aim at winning the match, no matter how.
And going collective, last year the team had just one competition to fight for, which was the Cameroon League One Championship. This year we are going to be having the Cameroon League One Championship, the CAF Champions League, the Cameroon Cup, and the biggest challenge that is coming up in less than a week from now is the CAF Champions League preliminary round game against Kaizer Chiefs of South Africa. How are you looking forward to that game?
Mr. First, we also at PWG, we take one game at a time. When we get to, right now we are playing a match against the return leg against Al Ahly of Tripoli. Right now we are playing a match. After Al Ahly Tripoli, we will prepare the match at Kaizer Chiefs. So Kaizer Chiefs will know how to intend the game.
Have you tried to find out to know how Kaizer Chiefs is, their style of play, some key players in the team, how you can do to stop them?
We have not like really, but they are men like us who get to the field, we sort it out.
And of course, you're definitely going to sort it out. The first leg of the game against Kaizer Chiefs comes up in Limbe on the 29th, so on the 29th of November at exactly 3 p.m. at the Limbe Omnisport Stadium in Ngeme. So now, apart from the CAF Champions League, let's talk a little bit about your trip to Tripoli. Before coming to Tripoli, the team had been to Malabo, where they played a series of friendly games with Futuro Kings. Now we are in Tripoli. Tell us a little bit about your trip to Tripoli. How was the trip? How are you enjoying your stay in Libya?
Well, the trip from Cameroon to Tripoli was, first, it was my second time getting to the plane. It was nice. It was a very nice experience. I wish to come to have that experience again. Well, we did not know it was the distance for Cameroon, from Cameroon to Libya was I thought it was, since it's an African country, I thought it would just make 2, 3, 4 hours, but it was too far.
You have to go through Istanbul in Turkey before coming back to Africa.
It was a good experience, and my stay here so far is just it's been good. Just that too much cold, it's too much cold. It's too much cold, but we are adapting. I'm looking forward to, after the game, we'll head back to Cameroon.
Then we talk a bit about the atmosphere we had before your game against Al Ahly. I know it was kind of an unfamiliar atmosphere. We had shooting stars, flares. When you were on the pitch and you saw that type of atmosphere, did it cause some panic?
When I'm in the field, I don't care about what's going on. I was concentrating on the match. I was already in the field as the battlefield. So I know, I was concentrated. I didn't know what they're doing. The shooting stars did not move.
Because many people say it's because of the pre-match atmosphere that forced PW of Bamida to concede a goal just in the first 2 minutes of the game.
No, I wouldn't say that. Just it's lack of concentration. Tactically, we did not respected the instruction given to us by our coach. We just that 1 second of which we did not concentrate as much as possible. I wouldn't say it was because of the atmosphere. I wouldn't say that.
Bonjour, at first we many knew you as a centre back, at times you play in the defensive midfield role, but we've seen you adapting into a new role, playing as a left back, and for that matter you have been developing into a modern right back who goes up front, supports the attack. Why that quick transformation?
like I said earlier, I stay focused. I try to follow instructions. I try to follow instructions given to us by the coach. So in the field, I don't limit myself. If I see like I can move forward and come back, I do it without limiting, without thinking. Because I trust my teammates. Because they see me make the move, they'll try to go. I trust myself. That's why I do. I don't limit myself in the field.
At this moment, Bong Joel is becoming a fan favorite, not just among the fans of PW of Bamenda. What are your ambitions as a footballer?
To reach the top first. To reach the top, to be a professional footballer.
And being a professional footballer, we will round it off by asking some few technical questions. As a defender, you've played in the Cameroon League for quite a long period of time. Can you tell us who is the toughest attacker you've ever faced?
The Cameroon League. Toughest attacker. Tough. I'm not saying like tough is like
any defender that have given you hard times.
Defender.
Any attacker that have given you hard times.
Yes. I don't know. I don't know his name, but he played at age in the match that we played in Bamenda where we.
Boni Elame.
Yeah, I'm sure. One guy wore number 18 too. Yeah, so he gave me hard times from the beginning to the end of the match.
As a defender, who is the player that inspired you most? A defender that inspired you most in your career?
I'll go for Sergio Ramos.
Of course, Sergio Ramos. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is what we prepared for you on today's edition of the PW's Inside, where we had as guest Bong Joel Ondwa. He's a defender for PWD Social Football Club of Bamenda. Bong Joel, it was a pleasure having you on this edition of the PW's Inside.
Thank you, Mr. Fils.
Wish you the best.
Thank you.